Okay, so we're leaving our driveway and going up our road, the road that comes in and out of our house from Nansemie, the little town where we live. It's rainy season, and as rainy season gets worse, the road gets worse, and this kind of becomes a four-wheel drive road. So I'm going to show you what it's like getting out of our driveway and up to the top, to the main road of where we live. So again, we're not totally into rainy season, but it's close. So the more rainy season thickens, the worse this road gets. Here we go.